How does anti-jamming fuel cutoff work? First, the core mechanism of fuel cutoff lies in the relay. A relay is essentially an electrically controlled switch. During installation, the relay is connected to the vehicle's fuel control line. The two green control wires are connected to both ends of the fuel line, forming a controllable circuit. This allows the device to control whether the fuel circuit is open or closed through the relay. Anti-jamming fuel cutoff is not designed for signal-blind areas, but for intentional signal interference. When criminals use a signal jammer to deliberately disrupt the communication frequency of the device, the tracker can identify this abnormal interference behavior instead of treating it as simple signal loss. Once signal interference is detected and the anti-jamming fuel cutoff function is enabled, the device will automatically trigger the fuel cutoff mechanism. Based on the system settings, it can perform either instant fuel cutoff or safe fuel cutoff. This allows anti-jamming fuel cutoff to intervene immediately when the vehicle is facing theft, signal attacks, or abnormal operation, preventing the vehicle from continuing to drive and significantly enhancing overall anti-theft security.